All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my Packers, the 100-year set. So we'll check the time, July 15th at 12:49 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raffle and type live. And we've got July 15th at 12:49 p.m. There's the list of our 40 entries with our 7 mini winners are all in there. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. All right, 10 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Alan. Spot 15 is your winner. So, Alan, please get with me to collect your Packers. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 15th at 12:50 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.